Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and gigantic volume, well above average. Problem is, the chart, I'm not going to say it's totally destroyed, but things are definitely looking very, very shaky, and that is also a matter of perspective, meaning if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there because you thought it was bouncing and you wanted to buy and sell within, an hour. Well, from that point of view, yeah, the chart looks absolutely destroyed. But from the big picture of things, looking at more than just one day, you can see that the price is still technically higher than where it was. So just to offer up that much more perspective, I mean, it's still much, much higher than where it had been. But yeah, from the perspective of somebody that bought it earlier on in the day, from a more of a day trading standpoint, yeah, I mean, there's some people that are very much so quite a bit underwater on this one. And, from that point of view, I get it. You wouldn't call this chart bullish. But the level here that I would definitely consider and call a must-hold, do-or-die level moving forward is right down here at $2. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to $2 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from the big picture point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Or in other words, that would imply that the price made an absolutely awesome move to the upside, only to then go right back to where it started, which is the epitome of a pump and dump. So I'm not, right now, in my opinion at least, I'm not calling this a pump and dump because something else could occur, and maybe something like this plays out where the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision those as stair-steps, well, at least at that point, you still have stair-steps making progress in the upward direction. Now, of course, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought right there, you don't care about these stair-steps, but these stair-steps are being geared towards, again, somebody that cares about more so the broader picture of things. So as of right now, like I said, I'm not going to personally call it a pump and dump, but yeah, if this thing drops back below $2 and literally goes right back to where it started, at that point, I would say pump and dump would be the right terminology for it, but we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.